Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbara. Standing next to me is Wada Kemno.
My name is Kemno.
Kemno. Kemno.
My name Kemno.
Kemno. So I tell you what the part 2 of Igbo or Igbo na that means Igbo foods and then the Igbo names of some other borrowed foods and Igbo.
My name is
N'Igbo.
Ofondo.
Good. Ofondo. Thank you very much. So this is part 2 of Igbo foods. Ihe onyonyo nke mbụ m mere na nri ndị Igbo. Unu lechaa ya, unu elezie nke a ka ọ dị part 2. So anyị nwekwara bread wogene achịcha, bread achịcha, egg akwa, milk mmiri ara, oil mmanụ, orange oroma, mango. Mango. I know it's all borrowed from the English language, but I'm a mango n'Igbo, but I'm na mango or mangoro. We have African star apple. Udara. That is our almighty Udara. Like Udara. Udara African star apple. Fish, azu, meat, ano, vegetable, akwụkwọ nri. Vegetable, that's what we add to our food or to our soup. Like I said in the previous video, by the name of the vegetable you add to it or by the thickener that you have used to thicken the soup. So vegetable, akwụkwọ nri. Fruit, mkpụrụ osisi. Pepper, ose. Salt, nnu. Onion, ayo. Crayfish, ayia. Bitter leaf, onubu. I mentioned ofo onubu in the previous video. It's a type of vegetable. Igbos use it in making soup, and we use it in making like ofo onubu or ofo egusi. You can add it even to ofo obono. You could just sprinkle onubu into it, but just know that onubu, bitter leaf, is onubu. Pumpkin leaf, ogo. Fermented melon, ogiri. Ogiri is a special ingredient na Igbo. If you really want to make a very, very tasty soup that will have that very, very, very homely feeling or homely taste, you will need to add ogiri. Man, I won't really like ogiri. There are some foods you don't add ogiri to. Foods like ofo onubu, ofoha, abacha. You can add ogiri while making those ones and some other ones. That's that list in ogiri. Sorry. So fermented melon is ogiri. Stockfish okporoko. Stockfish okporoko. I need okporoko is ofe and some other things. Pounded yam. Otaraji. In the previous video, I want to get back excuse me, on Igbo foods. Hana yamowo ji. So I want to know otaraji. Otara means swallow, something you can swallow. So otaraji, that means what kind of otara? Otaraji, so that means yam. Otarabo, that means cassava, the one made from cassava. Otarede, the one made from cocoyam. You understand? So okay, see, we have something. We have a very rare food na Igbo and about ona. Mana most parts of Igbo, especially some parts of Imo State, they close to Anambra na ona. Anambra na ona. I think very sure of other places in the area, but I believe it's an Igbo food and generally eaten in most places. Man, I didn't sure and do away ona. Ona is called a 3-leaved yam. I think that name is derived from the leaves of ona. They are always 3. So that's how the name was derived. Then we have grilled meat. Grilled meat was suya. Now, suya won't have to say Igbo. It's just a borrowed word. These days, because of globalization, a lot of cultures they mix up, and then Ibia na Igbo, iga ho chanda usa na ebe aha na amiano. So kita is almost part of the Igbo menu. So anaboya suya. So it's borrowed. Liver wo imenji. Liver. Like and you bring out the liver of the animal, of the slaughtered animal. So it's called imenji. Liver is imenji. Intestine is eriria for ano. That's the intestine. Chicken, ano okoko. We also have another delicacy called nkwobi. Everybody likes nkwobi. Nkwobi is made from meat. It's a rare delicacy and it's very special. Very expensive too. All meat. And a jikaru kwano, cow leg. It's always a mixture of different meats, and then agoya na mano. That means you mix it in palm oil. There's another very rare snack. Ndi Igbo na-akpọ agbarate. I think it's just from the way that you just open it up and pop in your mouth. So agbarate, it's made from melon. So I think I'll call it spiced melon snack. So spiced melon snack, that is agbarate. It's very, very tasty. If you haven't had it before, whenever you go to the east, in the village, I don't mean in the cities, in the village, ask for agbarate. There will be some woman somewhere who makes it, who prepares it, who sells it. Patronize the woman, buy it, have a taste of it, and come back to me. Tell me what you think about it. That's one of my best Igbo snacks, agbarate. I love it so much, but it's hard to find. It's hard to see. So this is an assignment now. In the previous video, I asked us to go and have a taste of okwa and come back on the comment section to tell us what it tasted like when you had a taste of it. In this video, the assignment is abarate. Look for it. You won't see it in major cities, but whenever you find yourself in Igbo land, choya abarate, taste here. You come back and tell me what you think and how it tasted in your mouth. But I promise you will like it so much. So this will be the end of today's video on Igbo foods. We'll still be updating our list, so we might have a part 3 to teach us some other Igbo foods. But for now, this year you can now watch the part 1 and part 2. Thank you very much. Take care of yourselves. Bye.